If you watched my last video, you'd know that I just got this 1972 Volkswagen bus, and today I'm going to be cleaning it out. As you can see, the bus is on dollies, so the plan was to move the van again out of the way and then push the bus to the middle of the garage so I can have some more room to work on it. So, the bus is heavier than I thought. So that failed. I'm gonna clean the bus right where it is. You might be wondering why I'm not diving right into restoration, considering my heavy list of mechanical things to fix, and why I'm choosing to clean it first. And that's because, besides the surface dirt on the outside, there is so much mold on this thing. The bacteria on it and the mold, I'm sure, is harmful to breathe in, and it's not safe to work on until I deal with a lot of that. The black mold on this handle speaks for itself. In an attempt to soak up any moisture or odor, I sprinkled baking soda around the bus, but the majority of that white stuff we're seeing is some kind of mold growing, and I'm unsure what it is. The door card and the seats have dirt ingrained to the texture on them, but honestly, I'm not sure if anything can top what I found in the glove box.
Oh my god.
It kind of sucks the original owner's manuals are covered in mold because I'm going to have to throw these out. I'm not sure what was worse, the glove box or this closet. That white stuff is all something that's growing, besides a bit of baking soda on the shelf there. Alrighty, enough talking about it. It's time to start tackling some of this disgustingness. Cleaning supplies can really add up, so most of the stuff I buy at Dollarama. If you follow me on TikTok, you've definitely already seen me use Simple Green on my van again. It's my favorite because it's biodegradable. This is the cleaning baking soda that I sprinkled around. I also got this at Dollarama. I'm starting to feel really gross being around all this mold, so I'm sticking on some PPE. I actually decided that I'd rather use a disposable mask, so I stuck on an N95 because I can just completely throw this out when I'm done with it. This bus doesn't seem to have a little prop that holds up the bench seat while you have it open, so I'm just going to stick a piece of wood under it to hold it up. Again with more of that white mold. If anyone knows what it is, feel free to comment. And maybe, like, I don't know, let me know if it's gonna kill me or something. I found this lid under the bench seat, and I'm willing to bet that it's probably 30 years old. Since the leather is like a little bit textured, I found that wiping it didn't really get into the textured portion, so I used a little scrubby pad that I also got at Dollarama and got in the little grooves of the leather. I don't think the things that are growing in here are very happy that I am trying to kill them. The growth is so thick here. I'm just gonna let the inside of the closet marinate with the mold and mildew remover on it while I clean some other things. I'm hopping out of the bus and cleaning the door next because remember when I did this? Yeah, I really threw out my back, so I can't hunch over anymore today. Big score here today. I am the new and proud owner of a blow-up Bologna ball. I will be keeping this. I'm not done yet, but look at the difference already in the color of the door. Now, I know it's not perfect, but it's a major improvement. I think I have to accept the fact this is going to be more of like a first layer clean, and I can come back for details later. So next I'm going to go for these curtains and try to wash them. They're holding on to a lot of mold and probably a lot of smell too. So I'm going to get these out of here, and since they'll be moving around and mold will be kind of in the air, I'm going to stick back on my N95 mask and a pair of gloves. Now, when taking off these curtains, I actually realized their condition was hidden by the fact that they were bunched up and pulled to the side. They're actually in terrible shape, and I'm not sure if they're going to survive the bath. I tied a string to the tub stopper so I can pull it out without sticking my hand in the water. And boy, am I glad I did. Look at the water. The method I'm using to clean the curtains is called laundry stripping, and it's a really effective way to clean things that are delicate or things that just really need a good soak. As you can probably tell, these curtains are way beyond repair and just too delicate. The only reason why I continue to wash them is because, at least if they aren't moldy, then I'll be able to use them as templates for new ones. If you have some vintage curtains that need to be washed, you might want to refer to my more in-depth video of this process on my channel. I'm actually not throwing these things in the fire, but I'm just drying them next to it. It's raining outside, so I can't stick them on the line, and they will not survive in the dryer. That was a nice little inside break, but now I'm back out in the bus, and there's a lot more mold to deal with. I've definitely had enough of feeling like this for one weekend. The cleaning has definitely taken a lot longer than I've anticipated, but I guess I'm probably not as efficient as I could be since I'm videotaping everything. But that being said, I just need to stop breathing this stuff in for at least a few days, and I'll come back to give you guys a part 2 because there's still a lot left to do, obviously. There will be no shortage of cleaning content for this bus, that's for sure. Don't forget to check back for part 2, and also like this video to support my channel. Along with subscribing to my YouTube channel, feel free to check out my other social media platforms to get more frequent updates on the bus.